Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Honor 200, which was recently launched, comes with a fast refresh rate OLED display, a mid-segment 5G processor, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, fast charging, and many more features. Friends, today I will give you a quick review of the Honor 200 5G and discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So this is the Honor 200, a camera-centric phone. The Honor 100 was also launched not too long ago, so in this video we will see the differences between the Honor 200 and the Honor 100. The Honor 200 has 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages. Let's first look at the advantages of the Honor 200. Compared to its predecessor, the first upgrade is in the main camera. It uses the classic Sony IMX906 sensor, which provides better photo quality. This time, there's also an upgrade to a 2.5x telephoto lens. This telephoto lens also supports 50x digital zoom and has both OIS and EIS dual camera stabilization, so you'll get good photos even at night. This time, Honor 200 has collaborated with the French studio Yagu, so portrait photos will be superb. You can see the textures in this classic photo. The second upgrade is in the battery. The phone now has a new generation 5200 mAh battery. Despite the large battery, the phone weighs only 187 grams, giving it a good in-hand feel. The phone also supports 100-watt charging, which charges the battery to 57% in just 15 minutes and fully charges it in about 35 minutes. So the charging speed is very fast. The Honor 200 comes with macOS 8.0, which is based on Android 14. This OS offers overall improved animation and smoothness. Even with multiple apps open at the same time, you won't see any stuttering or frame drops. The animations are silky smooth. The phone's design has also seen a great improvement this time. It features a 4-side curved display on the front, providing an almost full-screen experience due to the higher screen-to-body ratio. Swiping from the edge feels really good, giving an extraordinary silky feel. The curvature isn't too pronounced. It's a micro-curved display, which means fewer accidental touches. Compared to the Honor 100, it looks better and feels much more comfortable. Also, the back and frame of the phone are slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold with a single hand. So, friends, how many points out of 10 would you give to the design of the Honor 200? Now let's talk about the disadvantages. Let's start with the processor. The phone is equipped with the same 7th generation 3 mid-range processor. In this price range, you can find phones with Snapdragon 8th generation 2 processors, which is a significant disadvantage because the 7th generation 3 processor may not be sufficient in this price range. After playing King of Glory for 30 minutes, the average frame rate reaches up to 118 FPS on the Honor 200. For heavy load games like Genshin Impact, at the highest setting, playing for 30 minutes gives an average frame rate of around 55 FPS, with occasional frame drop issues. However, you can play Genshin Impact at lower picture quality for better performance. The phone has a good display, almost at flagship level, but the always-on display feature stays active for only a few seconds. If you want to see it again, you'll need to tap the screen. However, the screen still offers strong eye protection with a 3840Hz PWM dimming feature. The display itself isn't bad. It's much better compared to the Honor 100, with several improvements. The frame around the screen is still made of plastic, though. The fingerprint sensor is positioned lower on the phone, so the unlocking experience might be average. Overall, compared to the Honor 100, the Honor 200 is significantly better in terms of camera, design, and performance, making it sufficient for gaming on medium settings. The price of the Honor 200 with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage is £549, which is approximately $711 in the USA. So, what do you think about the Honor 200? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.